them, because a lot of people don't have taste for sushi. And now that I'm a vegetarian, I love it even better, because I think it's amazing how I don't know the world over, but especially here, how especially Rana, in fact, the way she kind of brought out this whole vegetarian sushiism, I would like to call it. It's so amazingly great for an Indian taste bud, especially somebody who's vegetarian. Not just Indian, but I think the world over, people are turning vegetarian, and I think it's a great idea. I like sushi; it's healthy, and I'm sure the process to make it is a little more tedious than the fact that it's just easy to eat and carry with you wherever you go.
Srisha, do we see you coming with your friends and family at Ruka Lounge?
Of course, I will. In fact, I kept asking a lot of questions to Ronak, and I said, "What's happening?" I mean, I'm amazed, and I'm really, really happy that you guys have something so close by, and I live nearby, so I can just come in any time, and I'm more than excited to be here very soon.
Thank you so much. As Ishita said, we have lots of vegetarian options also. In the starting, we did not had. Now we had come up with a new menu according to the market. We have sushi with a little Indian twist, which every vegetarian likes. I'm vegetarian myself, but I cook everything. So I'm sure our new menu, and it's not only about sushi. When people comes here, they are really surprised with our lots of different sushis and hot plates also. So we had come up with something new in Bombay. I don't think there is anything like this in Bombay right now, right, Neet?
Yes. What would you like to add?
See, the kind of meat, the fishes, especially what we are procuring, they are getting imported from Japan and Bahrain.
Oh.
And most of the sauces are coming from Dubai, because we already have a Ruka in Bahrain. So we knew the basic before bringing it very much to the platter of Mumbai.
Rishta, asking you again a question when it comes to food. What sort of food do you prefer?
Well, I think being an absolute Indian, I've loved all sorts of cuisines the world over. I've loved continental, I've loved Chinese, and since I've even had Japanese, I think I like it all. I Oriental, continental, Indian, as long as it's healthy, nice, fresh, feels good, feels light, and I can just keep experimenting with my taste buds.
So, but we have Chinese also here,
Okay.
by the way.
Yes.
So you can have Chinese here. We have Thai also. So
Oh,
basically,
wonderful.
we have
A proper
almost
Oriental
all the
cuisine.
Asian
Yep.
cuisine we are covering. So you can try our Chinese also.
Wonderful, there.
Rishta, talking about your film, how excited are you? It's releasing this week.
Yes, I am excited, in fact, for the fact that I play something so hatke in the film, and hopefully Junooniyat should bring in a lot of Junooniyat in all my audiences, and I'm hoping and wishing that though I do have a special little role that I do, which normally would be depicted in a very different light, when people will watch it, I'm sure they'll like it, and I am telling everybody, go watch it for sure.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Amit?
Hmm.